Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Rebbykit Foods. So, Rebbykit is a channel which is dealing with African traditional foods and modern recipes. So, if you're new here, please feel welcome. Like my video, share, and subscribe. And also remember the notification bell so that you can always be updated on the new videos. And if you're a viewer in this channel and you've never subscribed, please just press onto that subscriber button, promote Rebbykit Foods. So guys, today I'm back with this pizza. I've already done pizza in this channel. Please just go and check. But today I just want to do mushroom pizza. So please, let's cook. So this is the mushroom. I've just sliced them. The mushroom was just like this. This is how I bought them from the supermarket. So because when I want to make it for pizza, I slice it into 4 because it's going to shrink, guys, when it's cooked. So this is exactly what I did. So this is the mushroom. So I'm going to prepare this mushroom first before I make anything. So for mushroom, I'm going to use garlic, grated garlic, red onions. I'm going to use these spices. I have garam masala, I have cumin, I have mushroom soy sauce and oyster sauce, and salt and some tomato paste. So for that, and for the pizza, I've just created some bell peppers. I have this orange bell pepper and the red onions that I've cut in stripe. I'm just going to blanch them, not really to cook them, but to blanch them. I have mozzarella here. I have cooking flour, all-purpose flour, and that's all. So guys, keep tuned as we go. So guys, my pan is heating. I'm just going to add some little oil. Mushroom is just like a sponge. It absorbs water. Already it has some water. It has a lot of water and it absorbs water. So one might wonder why I put so much oil. It's going to absorb all this oil you see here before it's cooked. And I'm not going to cook it for long. I just fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. So keep tuned. So I'll just start by the onions. I'll add ginger. So after this, I'll just add some tomato paste. The mushroom is 200 grams, so the tomato paste will depend on, everything here will depend on the size of the mushroom or whatever you are doing cooking. So mix up everything together. Then I'll add in the spices, garam masala, beef masala. I'll go ahead and add the mushroom first. So guys, as I told you, mushroom is like a sponge. See what has just happened? All the oil has been absorbed at once. And it has a lot of money, so you don't need to worry. As it cooks, it will continue producing more water. I'm going to add just some soy sauce, not so much, and oyster sauce. Then now I mix everything well. To continue stirring, because you know it produces water and it absorbs at the same time. So guys, if you are making mushroom soup for pizza, you don't let it cook for so long, because it's still going to be baked in the oven and it will be so soft. So, and then just as I told you it's going to produce its own water. You can see it was completely dry, and now you can see it producing water. Added any water at all, but you can see. So this is now 5 minutes. My mushroom for pizza is just ready, and I'm going to take it out or switch off the heat and let it cool, awaiting for pizza now. Next, now I just want to blanch the onions, bell peppers for the pizza. So here you can see my mushroom here. It's ready and really looking delicious. So waiting for the dough for the pizza. So I have these ones now. So I'm just going to blanch them. So I can either blanch them together or separately, but I'll just blanch them so that they can be easily be eaten. See, my bell peppers and the onions are already blanched and they're translucent, so they can easily be eaten. So I'm just going to get them out, guys. So I'll just use this to make a sauce. So guys, for this pizza I'm going to use two sauces. I have tomato ketchup and tomatoes, blended tomatoes. So you have to let it cook well because it has some oil in it. So guys, my sauce is now ready. These are now the final ingredients that I'm going to use. This is the already made mushroom. I've just made some sauce. I have bell peppers and onions, which has just been blanched. I have ketchup, tomatoes, and mozzarella cheese. So guys, keep tuned now. I'm going to make the dough for this. Some salt to taste, some baking powder, so I've just made my soft dough. So I'm going to make two pizzas. So this dough is enough for me to have at least two pizzas. I'll transfer everything to the pan, and if it's not going to fit, there's a way, guys, that you can do. You can just push it by doing this. So there's one thing that I've not done that I have to do. It's just to make the pan oily so that it will come out easily. It can come out easily when I'll be removing. So keep tuned. Prepare the dough. I've placed it in my pizza pan. Now what I'm going to do first is now apply the sauce. So this ones I will start with this. Then I will continue with the tomato. After this, now I'll I'll spread the mozzarella. Now I'll add in the mushrooms. Try this. You'll thank me later, and you'll love it, and you'll need it at least every week for your family. In fact, my family prefers mushroom pizza than beef or chicken. I'm the only one who loves chicken because of my love for chicken. After that, now I have my blanched veggies. Onion will give it a good aroma. Then finally, you wind it up with some mozzarella again. This is all about this pizza. You can see how amazing it looks before it is placed in the oven. So let's go to the oven now. I'm just placing my pizza and I'm setting it at 225 degrees Celsius and for 25 minutes. So guys, keep tuned. You can see, look at my pizza. Whoa. So amazing, so appetizing, so yummy, super amazing. I tell you, I love mushroom pizza. So nice, guys. Please like this video. Please try this recipe and comment down there and tell me what you felt. I only wish you were near me to have a taste of this. Look how amazing this pizza is. So you can just see how I look at this. So yummy. See how it's looking yummy. Let me just have a taste. It's so hot. Ooh. Yes, help myself with this. Guys, please try this recipe. So nice.